This is a video on how to remove the copper coating from an air arc gouging rod for making carbon stick Gans. Please see the description below for more information.
Here's a brand new carbon rod. In a pinch, you can peel. If you can get the edge under here, you can actually roll this thing off and peel it off. So let's see if I can do that. There we go. I got it started. So I can keep it going. Yeah, you just want to peel. Okay, here we go. Bring it up a little closer, we can see. There we go. See, we're just peeling that off. But we want to be careful. Let's see if we get lucky and we can do this whole thing.
Carefully peel away the copper a little at a time. Work your way down the carbon rod until you reach the end. When you have finished stripping off the copper coating, you'll have a plain carbon rod that you can use to make Gans.
Okay, that's it. It's all stripped. Stick it in there. Here's the copper. And that's the copper from the carbon rod. So I'll get the this set. Get that going. Okay, so that's it.